All right, so I'm going to explain how the mentors can use Zoom. Um, Zoom is a great platform to chat, to video chat. There's a comment section, and they can even share their screen. So what the mentors would do is create a Zoom account, and they could do a personal one, or they could, we could use a blanket account for the Writing Center and share the password. Um, what you'll do is you'll go to schedule a meeting, and you see this screen. So we would change the topic to Writing Center, and you might put a description here. When this is the important part, you need to make it a reoccurring meeting, and you can do daily, weekly, monthly, no fixed time. We're going to say it's daily at 2 p.m. for 1 hour. That's very important. You can also put an end date here. Who knows how long we'll be doing this, so I think you can do it up to, oh look, May, there you go. And then you don't have to end. The important thing here is you're going to have to require a meeting password, and if you want it the same, you'll have to make sure that it's a reoccurring meeting, and then students will put in this password. So we could send this to all the staff. You'll want to put the host on, participant on, both, and then save. So then they'll hit start this meeting, and students will be able to put in the code and join the meeting. So, okay, we are using the computer audio, great. So here the kids' faces will pop up here, and you can invite, copy invitation, and then the password is 118035. So if I put that in my phone, I should be able to access it, and the kids' pictures will pop up here. You can even screen share. So hit share, and now they'll be able to see everything that I do on my screen. So say they were going through a document, they could do it this way. You can even annotate. So circle, underline, undo, erase, text, all of those tools are there for them to use. So stop share, and then they can end the meeting. So that's a little bit about Zoom. I think it would be a great tool for our mentors to use.